In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pie chart in Tableau, a quick and effective way to visually represent your data. Let's delve right into it. First, you'll want to start by launching Tableau on your desktop or laptop. If you're familiar with the Tableau interface, you'll find this straightforward. However, if you're new, you can easily open it by finding the program on your computer or through a shortcut you've set up. Once Tableau is fired up and running, you'll need to open a worksheet. This is where all the magic happens. Think of the worksheet as your workspace, similar to a blank canvas where you'll begin painting your data story. It's here you can manipulate, visualize, and examine your data to uncover insights. Now that you have your worksheet open, it's time to change the mark type from automatic to pie on the marks card. The marks card, if you're not familiar, is a powerful tool in Tableau that allows you to control the appearance of the marks in your view. By switching the mark type to pie, you're essentially telling Tableau you want to create a pie chart. Next, you'll want to add some color to your pie chart. Do this by dragging your categorical dimension, such as category or region, to the color mark. This step is crucial because it divides the pie into different colored slices. Each slice will represent a member of your dimension, providing a visual differentiation between each category or region you're analyzing. Following that, it's time to reflect the data values in your chart. Drag your quantitative measure, like sales or profit, to the angle mark. This action configures the pie slices to be proportional to the values of your measures. In simpler terms, larger values will have larger slices, which visually communicates the significance of each category or region. To make your pie chart more prominent, you should set the view to entire view from the toolbar. This adjustment expands the pie chart to fill the available space, making it easier to read and interpret. Having a larger chart helps especially when you need to present your findings to an audience. Finally, let's make sure your chart contains labels, which are essential for clarity. Drag your dimension for the category name and your measure for the value to the label mark on the marks card. By doing so, you provide essential context for your viewers, making it immediately clear what each slice represents and the corresponding data values. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive pie chart created in Tableau with the power to bring your data to life. Pie charts are fantastic for seeing proportions at a glance, making your analysis both visual and tangible. That's all for today. I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy data visualization!